ahead, eat it, baby, eat it. It's got a little fish there. I wonder if it's going to eat the whole thing. We don't know yet. He's protecting it from the other seagulls. He's got to eat it before the other one catches it. Oh yeah, they're going to have it out. Nope, not yet. Doesn't know what to do with it. It's too wide. Yeah, he's guarding the fish. I'll keep away. Oh, he thinks I'm going to take it now. I'm far. Go ahead. Go for it. It's yours. Go ahead. Here he goes. No, just picking on it. Just picking on it. Yeah. Nah, it's not gonna eat it. All right, sorry about that. Thought he was gonna eat it. I'll delete this. Yeah. All right.